How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be doing something different, kind of the trend here. I'm going to be unboxing a Logitech webcam. This is the C922. There's been tons of videos of people unboxing these. I haven't watched it, so this is going to be my first time experiencing this here. So this is probably the best, if not one of the best. There's a 4K camera webcam out from Logitech now. But besides that one, this would be the best webcam that I could find out there. This is currently going for $99 at certain stores. I think Amazon has it for like maybe $81, I'm not sure. But this video captures 1080p, 30 frames per second. Let's see if you can see that. If I can get that to focus here. There it goes. 1080p, 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second for 720p. This has background cancellation technology in. Yeah, but this has background replacement technology. This package comes with also a tripod. But the boxing is pretty nice. I like how they did this. Let's see if I can make this where you guys can read it here. So again, it comes with a tripod, fully adjustable tabletop tripod with a swivel mount. It stands to 18.5 centimeters. All right, and here's the back of the packaging here. See if I can get this in place. So this is a full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second, 720p at 60 frames per second, and it says right here, sharp fluid video with H.264 compression. All right, guys, and of course here is the features of the C922. I know you guys can't read that, it's very small, so I'll read it for you here. So we have autofocus, stereo. It also comes with a tripod. We already talked about the compression. The microphone will be stereo. Alright, guys, and as you can see up here, number one selling webcam worldwide. Alright, guys, so let's stop talking and let's get this guy open. So let me grab my unboxing knife. Alright, guys, I got my unboxing knife. We're gonna go ahead and open this up here. So again, this is the first time looking at this guy. So let's see if I can get this cut through. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. And there it is. Right when you open it, I love that presentation. You see the webcam. Very nice. And there is the top of or probably the twist arm of the mount. So let's get this open here. The webcam just slides out. Away. There's the cord. So again, here is the webcam. There's a cable, it's USB. Right there. So I'll set this right here. Alright, let's see what's in this box here. Okay, so this right here slides out. Alright, there's this, here's this right here, and here is where the tripod is. Let's just pop this guy out. The build of this tripod is pretty solid. I've had tons of tripods that just didn't feel high quality. This one, believe it or not, it feels kind of high quality. It just feels like some type of metal. And here's our LEDs here. Of course, these are extendable. Very solid. These LEDs don't feel like they're going to be wearing out, to be honest, so that's good. Yeah, that's pretty solid. I know Logitech, I know their specialty isn't tripods, but this tripod feels pretty solid. So let's go ahead and set this over here. Back to this guy right here. So we got a lot of plastic. Let's go ahead and let you hear that pull off. This is my favorite part of unboxing, so I'm assuming it's your favorite part as well. Slide that off. Alright, guys, pulling the plastic off now. This is more of a jerking type pulling, not really a nice and gentle way as before. Very nice. Alright, let me move this cable out of the way. Very cool. Alright. So this is pretty, this right here, this hinge, feels very sturdy and tough. Like, it feels like it's not going to wear out anytime soon. And this is the clip right here that you clip on your monitor. So this right here is where you clip onto your monitor. Clip on there very nice like that. Let's clean this lens off. Alright, so let's see this guy on his tripod here. Moving the cable. Alright, let's screw this onto the tripod here. So webcam, tripod. And this also has a swivel to it as well, as you can see. Let's go ahead and extend these leads here. Very nice. The webcam stands up quite nicely. Swivel it however you would like. So yeah, guys, this is a really good webcam. Let me check to see if there's anything else in the box. I'll set this aside. This piece of paper does not want to come out. There we go, box is empty. Alright, so we got our important safety, compliance, and warranty information. Standard packaging. Alright guys, so it comes with this right here. This basically is an instruction an instruction sheet, not really a manual, but this will tell you how to use the product. Alright, this also comes with a edge split sheet. It has a code for 3 months. I'm trying to do the least amount of editing as possible, so I don't want to have to do any blurring, so I'm gonna just hide my key with this safety, this poor thing here. I'm glad I don't have to know how to use this because it's kind of self-explanatory. But yeah guys, that is the unboxing and unveiling of my new webcam. I'm going to be using this in the future to do my streams. I'll give more information on that later on. Also for future video recording, I've heard this is a great camera, so I'm going to be testing that out, putting it through the runner here and see what will happen. Alright guys, yeah, and this is the webcam. It's Logitech C922. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video. It really helps me out. Thank you all for who's already subscribed and who's already liking my videos. And we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.